Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another Forex Trading Setups that you have missed money on this week. You're here with Tyler from Tyler Trading Tips. We have 3 setups today: Cable NZD, EURCAD Canadian dollar, and AUD Swiss franc. So they're the best sort of pairs I had based on my own trading system. We'll start with the best first, being Cable NZD, the British Pound NZD. You can see here on the risk to reward a 9.5 risk to reward setup with a 20 pip stop loss and a 190 pip move all the way to the best case scenario. Okay, this was a really good setup at the institutional level. First of all, at 1.96000. I'm always preaching institutional levels. We had a lower time frame entry where you would have entered here, nearly would have taken you out, but it stayed in. We can zoom right in on that, and you can see that it would have kept you in by a couple of pips, which is fantastic. Just shows you that the stop loss positioning is perfect. And then after that, it took over the next trading day to get to the 400% right at the institutional level of 9820. As you can see right there, 9820 institutional level. So hit the whole level, hit a 20 institutional level, lower time frame entry. We go to the 1 hour time frame as well from this point, and we can see that the chart has been nothing but uptrending. So the 1 hour is bullish, and then we go to the 4 hour, the 4 hour as well. The 4 hour chart also bullish as well. So that means then when we do come back to the 15-minute chart, we should only be looking for longs in this position. So this was the best case scenario, happened on the 10th of June, and the entry came at 10 AM during London session, and the exit came the following day during New York, 4 PM at the 400% and the 9820 institutional resistance level. Fantastic grade A setup. Now going on to the next one, these other two now were partials for the week, so they weren't the best, but they were partials, so it would have made the account tick. With early exit strategies being put in place, you still would have made some money from these trades. So the first one is the Euro Canadian dollar, and you can see here hovering around that 147,000 institutional level on the 7th of June. We had a lower time frame entry which we hopped into, and then you could see there that there was a lower time frame exit right near the end here to tell me to get out, so during New York session, and that means I closed out from a 9 pip stop loss, made 22 pips, 2.5 risk to reward still before the trade would have either taken you break even or to a losing trade. So that's why I always preach to people to have an early exit strategy. Go to my Instagram to check out more on that. But this one here, as you can see, really good partial small win, 2.5 risk to reward you could have made as well. Go into the higher time frames as well before we move on. You can see as well that the Euro Canadian dollar had been falling all prior to that, so we were in a downtrend, and you can see in the 4 hour chart as well, again it's falling down. So then when you do come back to the 15-minute chart, you should only then be looking for short positions, and there's the short trade there on the 7th of June. So using the higher time frame bias, whole institutional level, lower time frame entry, and then we got in early exit, told us to get out, and we still made profit. So that's the first one there. And then finally going into AUD Swiss franc. This was the final good setup of the week that you could have placed if you was following something like I do. And you can see here, really good trade, 6 pip stop loss, nearly got taken out only by a few pips, just missed it. Spread would have kept me in, and then it fell over 4.3 risk to reward with an early exit criteria. Yes, price did carry on, but I got an early exit criteria. This happened on the 11th as well, which was a Friday. And you can also go now and check Cable NZD and AUDCHF, because I have a Forex live trading video that you can see fully live with me in this trade here that you're seeing for 4.3 risk to reward, and also the Cable NZD sterling New Zealand dollar, 9.5 total risk to reward made there. You'll be able to see that video in the top right hand corner right now for you to go and see. But in regards to this trade, a 9.65 institutional level, yet again showing you institutional levels are very powerful. The lower time frame setup as well, and then if we go to the higher time frames such as the 1 hour, you can see that it's downtrending, and then we go to the 4 hour, again downtrending as well. So then that means when we come back to the 15-minute again, we're only looking for sell side entries, and that's exactly what we got with an early exit criteria. So yeah, that would have gave you a 4.3 early exit. Really good there. Combined total, you would have made nearly 20 risk to reward this week. Really good setups. If you have enjoyed these sort of setup strategies and informations, definitely subscribe, leave a comment and leave a like. Any information or questions you have, leave a comment below. And until next time, folks, have a really good profitable trading week.